Hi everyone, I'm here to share what I learned from this week. I'm going to focus on one of the questions that I have, how the components of prayerful inquiry, asking, seeking, knocking, help me become a better learner. I read all your comments on the discussion board and learned a lot from you. Thank you very much. I want to start with the promise in Doctrine and Covenant, Session 112, verse 10. Be thou humble, and the Lord thy God shall lead thee by the hand and give thee answer to the prayers. I learned that when I pray to God for strength and guidance, I have a better understanding of the materials. I know how to do my assignment better and expand my thinking and understanding of what I learned. I also have more patience to myself and concentrate better when I study. The most important thing is I'm able to humble myself and study and learning by faith. I know I can use these experiences to help my children and students who is struggling in their learning in the future.